there everyone, so welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a fun video. Today I decided to put these two subscription services together and combine the video. So last time I did it, I did two separate ones. So this is the Ipsy and Sephora Play unboxing, unbagging, and I'm gonna do like the versus video because last time I did them separately and this time I'm gonna do them together, and I'm just gonna see which one I like better and which one you guys like better and stuff. So yeah, we're pretty much just gonna jump right into it. To give you some quick information on both of these subscription services, if you're not familiar with what they are, Sephora Play is through Sephora and it is $10 a month. I think it's not free shipping, so it's like, I think 98 cents, maybe like $1 for shipping, which isn't too bad. So it's usually like $11 to $12 actually after the shipping, but they send you 4 to 5 sample sized. They're usually always sample sized or deluxe sized products, and then they'll send you a little goodie like a hair care sample or like a little perfume sample. So that is what Sephora Play is. And then Ipsy is just its own little thing. It's Ipsy, and they send you 4 to 5. No, I think they always send you 5 sample sized or deluxe size, or sometimes they'll send you full size, rarely, but you can get full size in there every once in a while. And it mixes between hair care, beauty, nail polish, perfume. There's a lot of different things that you can get in this bag, and it's really fun. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right in, and I think the one we're gonna do first is Ipsy. We'll do Ipsy first. So you always get it in this nice little pink bag, and we're just gonna slide her out. Oh, there's something like in the envelope. We're gonna pull out that bag first though. So this is what the bag looks like this month. It's a really gorgeous blush nude, and then it has a really pretty like black lace detailing on it, and you can like pull it up and it's like flowers. And then the zipper is really cool. It's like rubber and it just is black, and it has Ipsy written on it in that blush pink. And you zip it open. Okay, so the theme this month is unzipped, which is cute because that's how we open our bag. We had to unzip it. And this month is about being sexy and embracing everything you are, which I'm totally 100% for. You go girl or you go guy, rock you, because you are the best you out there. So this is really cute. It's got a bunch of women on it that are they're all so pretty. Oh no, it's got men on it too. That's so pretty. I love it. You guys should check this out. But we're going to jump into the bag now. Sorry, I'm being like cheesy. We're going to go to the first thing in the envelope I'm pulling out. Okay, this is the Bio Bell 5-minute facial mask with tea tree oil, rose hip extract, and vitamin C. And it says hashtag primer on it. Oh, it's a perfecting primer sheet mask. Okay. So I guess you put this on before you apply your makeup, and it's supposed to prime your skin and make it really nice and wearable for your makeup. That's kind of cool. I've never heard of that before or seen something like that before. I guess maybe I just haven't gotten out much. Maybe this is already a thing, but I'm excited to see how this works. The next thing I'm pulling out is in a little box. Ooh, this is the Luna highlighter, and I guess we'll just open it up. This looks like a really big little highlighter. A really big little highlighter, LOL at me, right? I think this might be full size, and it comes in the shade Electra. It says it's a baked highlighter, so this is what it looks like when you open it up. Super pretty, and I guess I'll swatch it. So it's pretty soft. The thing itself is kind of hard though, not like creamy or anything. That's what it looks like on my finger, and then I'm just gonna swatch it on the back of my hand. It's a really pretty, like, peachy, rosy kind of highlighter. I don't know if I will be able to use this as highlighter because I think it might be too dark for my skin tone. I don't know. It's kind of pretty. I might be able to use it. If not, I definitely would probably use it as an eyeshadow or like an inner highlight or something like that. So this is really pretty. I really like this. Okay, the next thing we're pulling out of the bag is, oh yay, I love Luxie. I love Luxie, and I love it when they send me Luxie brushes, like, ah! Okay, so this is the, oh, it's dual-sided. I didn't even notice that. I got so excited. That's even more exciting. Okay, pulling it out of this little package it came in. And this is the Luxie 249 brush. And it looks like this side is a blending brush. Ooh, it's really soft. And then this side is a shading brush for your shadow. These brushes are so nice. If you guys have not used Luxie brushes before, I really recommend going and trying one out or going on their website and purchasing yourself some brushes because they are nice, and I'm really, really excited about this one. So yeah. The next thing I'm pulling out is the, what is this? Mellow Matte Liquid Lip Paint. And it is like wrapped up, so let me open it up. Alright, and I have this in the shade Tehran? Or Tehran? I don't know. It looks like it has like a big crack down the middle. I don't know if that means it's like dried out. Maybe you just got some air in there somehow. I don't know why I just smelt it. It doesn't have a smell though. Okay, so still doesn't have a smell. It's just a really nice like nudie brown. I'll probably give this to my mom just because I have like so many of these colors and I don't really like them. I just feel like I'm like way too pale for them. I've never heard of this brand before, and it says it's matte and it hasn't dried down yet, so I don't know. It's kind of like an for me, but I'll probably just give it to my mom. All right, and the very last thing I'm pulling out of the bag this month, this is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. And I actually have the full size of this because I love this concealer. I swear by this concealer. It is my favorite concealer out there, and it's great. It's waterproof, anti-aging, full coverage, and it honestly brightens the crap out of your eyes. So they gave me a little sample size, and this is a really nice size of this stuff, guys. Like, let me show you. This is the sample size, and this is the full size. So like obviously this one's like way bigger, but with this concealer it is so thick. I think it's because it's waterproof, but it is extremely thick. So I usually use like literally like a tiny little dot for underneath my eyes and a tiny dot like down the rest of my nose. Like, you do not need that much concealer at all. So honestly, I feel like this would last you a couple months, probably like 2 to 3 months. So yeah, I'm really excited. If you guys got this in your bag, you're gonna love it. And I'm probably gonna give this one to my mom actually, because I've been raving to her about this one lately, and she does not buy like expensive makeup because she's just completely against it. So I'll probably just give her this one and be like, you have got to try this. That is like a completely A1 plus product in there. I didn't know they gave out It Cosmetics in Ipsy. I always said Luxie, in Ipsy. So that is really cool. So overall, I think the Ipsy bag this month was extremely amazing. I got some really great products. The only things I'm kind of like about are the lip paint and the facial mask. I mean, I was kind of excited about it, but at the same time, I'm like, I don't know how many times like I just want to sit down and like put on a mask before I put on my makeup. Like, I just don't. So, but otherwise I give it a 10 out of 10, and I'm really, really happy with this bag this month. Sephora has some big expectations coming its way. Okay, so I'm gonna open my Sephora box, and of course pulling out the little information card. It is adorable this month. I just love February. Everything is just so cute. And of course you get your play pass, and if you take this into the Sephora stores and you make a purchase with it, you'll get 50 Beauty Insider points added to your account, so you can get some more goodies to try out at the Sephora store. You can't use this online, which is the only thing that sucks. But this is really cute. And you open it up and it'll show you everything you got. We're not gonna look at it because we don't want any spoilers. But this is cute because you can like cut it out, and you can give these to your friends, and they're little like Valentine's cards. I think it's super cute. Yeah. All right, on to the important stuff. This is the bag this month, and it has a hair on it from me. And it says Feel the Love on it, and it's got this cute little, looks like the little Wendy's chick maybe, and it says Sephora Play on it, and it's got really cute pink ribbon. I think this is my favorite bag so far just because of the colors. And we'll just go ahead and open her up. All right, so the first thing I'm popping out, this is the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. This is what it looks like. and I have it in the shade Let's Go Crazy. I have actually never owned a NARS product before because I'm just like, I don't know, I've never been attracted to the brand that much. So I'm kind of excited. This is what it looks like. It looks like a really pretty like fuchsia, berry fuchsia. Let me swatch it for you guys. So that is what it looks like. I think it's pretty. It's really creamy, and I'm excited to give this a try. It'll be nice to just throw in my purse. But NARS is a nice brand, so good job, Sephora. You guys are off to a good start. Next thing I'm pulling out of the bag, it comes in this like plastic, and it looks like a postcard. Oh, I see. There's a perfume sample in here. This is cute. So this is what the postcard looks like, and it is the Atelier Cologne, and it's the Maison de Parfum. Sorry if I just like absolutely killed that, and that doesn't smell, but let me pull out the actual sample, which I just dropped. And oh, it's not a spray bottle. I hate it when they're not spray bottles. Like, I guess you just pull this out. Oh wow, that smells so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm dead. This smells so good. It has like a, I need to find what the scents for this is. Oh, vanilla from Madagascar, lime from Mexico, and oak moss from Slovenia. That smells amazing. I might have to buy this because it smells so good. But it's kind of more of a wintry scent to me. Like that vanilla just reminds me of like cold weather. So this would be a nice like fall wintry scent, but I don't think it's something that I want to wear for the spring because I'm more of like light, airy, like floral kind of scents for the spring. And vanilla is more for like the fall and winter time when I just want to cuddle up and eat. All right, next product I'm pulling out. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Peeling Gel Exfoliant. Let's see what this has to say about it. Ooh, it says an exfoliating gel powered by multiple fruit enzymes to reveal a glowy complexion. So that's really cool. I've actually gotten a Peter Thomas Roth, cannot talk today or ever, primer last time, or it was like a illuminating thing, and I really liked it. So I'm really excited to try out one of their actual like face cleansing things. Oh, this is definitely not, like, I looked at this and I was like, ooh, this is exciting. It's got a lot of product in it, but, like, I'm squeezing it and still nothing's, coming out. Finally something came out. But yeah, it's definitely not full all the way, which is kind of, but that's a good brand, good product that I'm excited to give a try. Let's see if it, holy cow, guys. It's, like, already peeling off dead skin off my hand. Is that what that is? Is that dead skin? That's so gross. Like, this chunk just fell off. I mean, it wasn't like a huge chunk, but it was pretty big. I can't tell if that's skin or if it's the product. Like, I'm freaking out. But that's cool. Moving on from my weird self. The next product we're pulling out is the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm, and it says a lightweight eye cream for a boost of moisture and refreshed looking eyes. And just pop this bad boy open, and that's what it looks like. You get a nice little amount for your under eyes because you don't use a lot of product in your eyes. You know, you're just barely dipping and then just patting it in. So this will last you a good little bit. I've actually never tried any Belief eye care before, or skincare actually at all. So I'm really excited to give this one a try, and I'm really glad that they gave me this in the bag this month. All right, the next product is the Sephora Rouge Matte. I guess it's just like a lipstick. And I have it in the shade Rebel Chic. So let's open this up. And it is ooh, that's pretty. I'm glad it's not a red. They always send me a red, but I have not gotten a red this month. I got a pink and whatever. And these are kind of similar. This is like a berry color. It says a super matte yet ultra conditioning lipstick in a flattering, long-lasting berry shade. Yeah. So this is the Sephora lipstick. compared to the NARS. This one's definitely more berry. This one's definitely more pink, but very pretty. And then the last thing we're pulling out this month, this is the Laura Mercier, what is this? Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color in the shade Rose Gold. Oh, so it's like a little eyeshadow stick. That's cute. This will be really cute to just like throw in your purse for on the go, for traveling and stuff. And that's what it looks like. You get that much product. That's a pretty good little amount of product. And let me swatch it for you guys. I want to get you a pretty good, nice size swatch so you can see it. And that is it by the berry shade Rebel Chic. I think it's really pretty. Definitely really creamy. Okay guys, and that is it for the Sephora play bag this month. I did go ahead and pop that Let's Go Crazy NARS shade on, and let me tell you, I really, really like it. It went on super easy. It was super easy to like control where it went, and it's like super soft and like lightweight. I can't even feel it on my lips, and the shade is absolutely gorgeous. So Sephora did really, really great this month too. I have a really tough decision to make whether I enjoyed Sephora Play or Ipsy more this month. I really enjoy skincare, so I feel like Sephora Play definitely gave me a little bit of a wider range with this than Ipsy, but I'm really loving that brush that they gave me in Ipsy, and the concealer is really nice too. Okay guys, so I guess my final decision is I'm gonna have to go with Sephora Play this month. They definitely just like threw it out of the game. Last month was a big bummer for me with Sephora Play, but they definitely stepped it up this month and gave me some really awesome products. Not saying that Ipsy did not do good. They're literally like, it was so hard for me to decide, but usually Ipsy is the winner. But I'm definitely gonna have to say Sephora Play won, but I do enjoy both of these subscription services a whole lot, and I will link both of them down below. I will leave my affiliate code down. If you guys want to use it, it'll help me out, but if you don't want to, you do not have to. You can use your friends, or you can use, you know, somebody else's. That also works too. But thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you liked me doing them separately or if you liked me doing them more together. And also let me know if you liked this video and give it a big thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe because I do lots and lots of makeup videos and I absolutely love doing them. So stick along with me for my journey, my little journey in YouTube. And you all have an absolutely wonderful day. Bye!